Hello, hi, my name is Maeva. Welcome to my first YouTube video, and for today I just wanted to videotape me doing one of my favorite hobbies, which is sewing, and just the whole process and how I do it. Okay, the first thing I want to do is that I want to draw out what I want my final product to look like, and I want to make it as detailed as possible, colors included, measurements, and even the fabric, so that when I go back to my book in the future I can make it as close to the original one as I possibly can. Now that I have drawn out what I want my final product to look like, I'm going to measure myself and include those measurements in the drawing. Now that I have measured myself and included those measurements in my drawing, I'm going to find the fabric I can use for this project. I've chosen two different fabrics, and I chose two fabrics because I don't have enough of this one. And since this one is a bit obnoxious, I decided to go with something a bit more plain for the half of the shorts. And so you can see that the white kind of like flows into this, so that's why I chose this color. I'm a bit worried because this one is much thinner than this one, and this one just gives me the cargo feel and this one does not, so that's my only concern for these shorts. Since I found the fabrics I'll be using for this project, I'm also going to include them in my drawing. Now I am moving on to sketching out what I have in my notebook onto the fabric, and I feel like this is one of the hardest steps because I also have to add some seam allowance and make sure that I'll have enough for the seam allowance and for it to still fit the way I want it to. This is all the fabric laid out, and before I sew, I'm going to iron to make sure all the pieces are straight and ready to sew. I've sewn all the fabrics together, and this is how it looks so far. This is a layout of how the final product is going to look like. This is pretty much the final product. For the opening, I decided to go with Velcro along with the pockets. This is the final product, and I'm really happy about how it turned out. It fits really well and it's comfortable. The pockets also turned out really nice. I'm glad I decided to go with Velcro for them. That is it for today's video, and I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. I had so much fun filming this, and yeah, I really like the shorts and the outcome. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll try and post every 2 weeks. And I just want to say thank you to my brother Thomas because he did edit this whole video. You guys can find his YouTube channel in the description box. That is it. Bye.